Good morning, good morning. Oh wow, it has been a while. It has been a while. Let's get back to our program here. Let's see what the weather outside is like. Weather right here. I upload this with the weather app here, and it says where I am. Current temperature in Washington DC. See, it says Washington DC. Well, I'm not in Washington DC. New York. Let's see my zip code here. That's more like it. 49 degrees outside, 50 degrees. What is that like in Celsius? 10 degrees outside in Celsius. Rained, cloudy. It's been cloudy for a couple of days. Well, I've been away for some time. Since what was it? September. I was overseas in November for a month, for 30 days. Got back. My computer crashed, didn't work. Somebody at the security damaged my hard drive, my external hard drive, and all the videos and all that is in there. And my PC got acted up, the BIOS didn't work, a whole 9 yards. Life goes on. When things like that happen, you just trucking away. Just continue. Alright, you might have to spend a couple dollars to buy this and that, like I did. This is my another laptop, a used one. A same brand, ThinkPad P50. Yeah, I like P50. It works very well. I really like it. I have used IBM ThinkPad since 1980 something. It goes all the way back. And 10 of my little guys, my way back when, like a 9-inch type. I think I still have about 10 of them, which they were installed with Windows 98. Oh wow, Windows 98. But I have used those guys since early 90s. That's just been updated. But yeah, you can say I'm a ThinkPad. Person, I guess. So I got my stuff in order, and yep, again I lost the hard drive. Went through the airport security. Well, actually, that didn't happen. It happened in the luggage. They evidently opened my luggage and found my not the laptop but the hard drive in there. Turned out there's little indentation. There are two of them, 2 indents on the hard drive, and my PC does not recognize it. Whatever they did. So that goes another Yeah, I think about that $200 something hard drive to replace the old PC, that the older one that I had earlier that was not working. Lost that again. A whole bunch of luckily those were the YouTube videos, not other documents, so I keep them filed separately. Then you know, I separate my, you know, my work differently, my files differently. All the YouTube stuff will gone, part of it, but some of the code still exists because I also backed it up with different place. So let's take a look at why like these right here, I was able to keep a bunch of these. This is, you know, normally I would work here and then I move some stuff to the external. Well, now the external, I put in an external. Well, this is external. The second drive, now I just plug it in here. But normally I have it in here with a different folder. And then when I get done, I move it from there to there. Alright. So I went ahead and bought this PC, a used one, and I went ahead and just slapped this SSD right in there, and that would be the second drive right there. And this is actually a external drive, and this is where I'll keep all my other stuff, you know, some software that I have to reinstall when things happen. You see there? These are the stuff that I have to reinstall, like cursor highlighter. Now this is the free one. Next time I'm going to show you how to do this free version here. Alright, it's Office Professional Plus free version. I'll get into that whenever, but this is Office free version here. It's not going to let's see Word. It's not going to ask you for product key ID. See there? It's all good stuff. But yeah, I don't know if I should show you how to do that. But anyways, but yeah, it's a free version. Let's see PowerPoint. Let's see a PowerPoint. Of course, it's professional. It has all the stuff. You can have OneNote, whatever. All right. So, but this is all well and good. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I should show you how to get free version. Now I bought this guy right here. All right. When I had 2 crashes and 2, you know, I said, well, I'm not gonna keep buying this stuff. So then did a little research and I was able to do this for free. Anyways, but these are the stuff that would have come in and install. I just finished installing this guy right here. This is yesterday, and then I went ahead and installed this server, SQL Server Management. I can tell you that's what I do on a daily basis. SQL Server. Let's look at the control panel here. Programs. So I installed this guy, SQL Server Express, a couple days ago, and then I installed this guy. I also updated the ODBC driver that is needed to communicate between Access and SQL Server and other databases that needs to be that needs connection to the SQL. couple things I had to install. A whole bunch of these are new right here, except the Azure that just came with the Microsoft. But yep, had to install all the stuff before I could continue with the work. So what I want to do here, I drop this guy in here in this application pool. This is the original application that is created in the Access. So we can take a look at this guy. We can take a look at this guy. These are all in Access. You see these tables right here. All right, and the queries. After I've done that, all right. After I've done that, oh, this time, let me take a look at last time I did anything to it. Take a look at it. Matter of fact, yeah. Matter of fact, we can take a look at. Obviously, I signed in this guy a couple of times yesterday, trying to let's see if I remember this one. Trying to find out what I need to do before I show you guys what to do. So last time I updated this guy was this way back when, September, 6 months ago. But then I converted to this guy. You see, I converted to this guy, and that connection is gone because that was on the old machine, old computer. So if I open it up, all right, it's going to try to connect to the backend, which is a SQL database. You see there? That's not gonna work. Looks like my screen is not very clear either. It's a little blurry. Anyways, it's going to give me some issues here. There. Yeah. So, but I cannot close from there. If I close from there, it's trying to connect again. So I'm gonna have to go to the task manager here and close it from here. Kill it. There. So that's when I decided I'll go ahead and delete this log drive here, log file rather. I decided to show you how to import this guy, and that's the reason why I brought you here. So let's go in here. I installed a couple of days ago, Friday after work. So let's connect. See, brand new, has nothing. We're gonna create a new database. Let's give it the same name, lottery pool. All right, there you go. Now we're gonna try to import the tables from there, and I'm gonna show you the problem with this thing. All right, and that way you know exactly what to do in your case. You see how Access is trying to look for MDB file? Well, we don't have that. All right, we don't have that. And if we let's see, this is where is it? Oh, here. If we try to import from here, from the original file right here, all right, and let's continue. See there, it says, hey, that jet engine does not recognize ACCDB file. So what do? Well, it is what I would do. I'm going to cancel out from there, Alright, get back to my program here. I'm gonna make a copy of this guy. Copy. Actually, no, I'm gonna open it. So that's all well and good. I'm gonna close this right here. So in your program, if you have ACCDB file and you want to import the tables in there, you will want to do this. You want to save it in MDB, the older version. You see that, the Access 2000 version. Alright. Because, let's see, this guy, yeah, you can save it in that guy as well. Alright, but just stay away from this ACCDT. That's 80. Now this guy right here, if you save it in there, you cannot code it. Once it's saved, it's done deal. It's like it compiles into a binary file, which cannot be read. Alright, so if you want to lock down and your application is well and good, save it in there. Just keep your original. Alright, just keep your original. And that prevent people from opening it. All right, so but we can save in here as this guy or this guy with the MDB. So we're gonna look at that, save it in there, save as, and I created a temp folder right here. See that temp? We're gonna put it right there. All right, now a whole bunch of these guys will not be run correctly because we downgraded. All right, so we downgraded. See there, it's a bunch of stuff that's not gonna work, but that's okay. We're not interested in anything other than the tables. So it's gonna do its thing. And while it's doing that, there you go. Let's enable this. Alright, we expected that because we expected all that. Because it's older version, it won't run. So now, you have to close that out before you can import, alright? So let's go back to here. We're going to try to import again. See if it continues. Import data, select schema, the source, and the database, and we're going to go to C drive, the temp folder. You see that? Now it sees it. See that? MDB and MDB. So select that, continue, and we're going to look at we're going to import it to our SQL Server. All right. And the lottery pool selected. You see that selected right there. Let's continue. We're gonna copy and create tables. Alright, we want all these guys. Except, you see this right here? We don't want the query. We don't want these. Alright, we don't want this. So, but you cannot just select one. Oh, you can do that. There you go. You can select one individually. You see that? You select one individually. You can do that, that. Okay. And then just omit the query. All right, just omit the query. So that's looking dandy right there. We're just gonna get the tables only. There, that looks good right there, and omit the queries. Those are the views. Okay. All right, so let's continue, and it's going to start creating our tables and dump the data in there. Look at that. And that's how you do it. It's not that big a deal. People have issues, have installed this, installed that. No, just downgrade your Access, make a copy and downgrade it, and just use that as the, because all you're interested in is the tables. If we open this guy up, see there, now we start seeing tables. Look, There. These are the tables that we're interested in. Well, let's see if we get anything in there. Let's query a couple of these guys. Let's look at laundry drawer. Yeah. Let's look at that guy. There you go. That's what we are interested in. Look at it there. Look at that. So that's good. Yep, that's good. Let's see what else can we look at. Well, let's actually see. I'm interested in object. Object control here. That's the language. That's the language. Maybe not. How about object control, object name? Yep, so we're gonna look at language. Oops. In Thai. That's in Thai. Okay. Alright, so that's good. Now, let me show you how we can connect to that guy. Now, remember, this guy is not working anymore. Doesn't work anymore. We're gonna delete that. Let's go ahead and delete that. Oops. Go ahead and delete that. There. And we're gonna make a copy of this guy. Rename that to the old one. SQL. Oh, forgot a dot there. There. Now what we want to do is we want to connect this guy. I'm going to be using this right here as a backup. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, that's an old one. Alright. Here's the new one. You see the new one, the name? I open that up later and then I save a backup. You see the BAK? See the BAK backup? So that's the old name. This is the new one. This is the current one. We're going to be using this file right here. Not the backup one. That's the old one. Alright. So that's the reason why we had to do this. So let's open this guy up. And we're going to link that guy up and pull the link the tables back in. Alright. So let's do this. Let's do this. And we're not interested in there for now. Close that. This is the original tables right here. Now we are going to get the external. Somehow I feel like my screen is very blurry. What do you think? I feel like it's a little blurry. Is it because of my eyes? Alright, so we're gonna open up and use the file that we the file that we made. Where is it? Right there. Application pool. See this file right here. We're not gonna use the backup one. We're just gonna use that guy. Look at that. Now we see all the stuff. So what you see here is exactly the same as what you see here. All the way to US states. So we're gonna select all bunch of these. Well, before we do that, hold on. Before we do that, you know when we equate these guys right here, it does not have a primary key. So let's go in there and fix that. We gotta make this guy primary key. See there? Gotta do that. Save. All right. I forgot to tell you about that. So anytime you import new tables or import the data into tables, and if the table doesn't exist, it's going to create a new one. But when it does, okay, when it does create a new one, it does not define our primary key. So we're gonna have to go through this one by one and define the primary key. All right, so we got to do that on. Got to do that on our own. See there? Got to do that on our own. Set primary key, save. Set primary key, save. Similarly, this way, when you import this guy in there, it does not ask you to, hey, which one is the primary key? You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, the Access is going to ask you every single time. So might as well do it here because we're going to need to do it there anyway. So let's save this guy. Why isn't it? Okay, so there's a problem here. Unable to create the lottery pool member. There was a duplicate. Okay, so somehow this guy was created already. Oh, got you. Hold on, I know why. The pool right here, lottery pool right here, that's that guy right there. Right, lottery pool ID, see there? However, this is the many-to-many relationship, so we gotta select both of these guys. Sure. Hold on, let's remove this guy. Let's remove this guy. Hold on. How do you do that? Hold on, just a second. Why can you do that? Okay, let's not save that. Let's skip that for now. I think, let me see, let me try that again. Something's not right here. You should be able to select that and say the total size of index. That is weird. Okay, so we're gonna drop this guy down to 36. And that's because our grid is 36. Okay, I think I know what happened here, mister. So when this guy imports in here, set, save, continue. Okay, so here's another thing. Yeah, this is, like I said, this is new installation. There's a lot of setup that you have to go through. All right. This guy prevents saving is because, let me show you why. Let me show you why. You go to preferences, where is preferences? Maybe it's in the choose options. Let me show you. I think it's in the project here. General, location, nope. General. Yeah, that's not, I cannot find it there. Maybe in here. I cannot find it there. Let's do this. Cannot find it in there either. Oh, right here, designers. See, prevent saving changes requires table recreation. You see there? We gotta uncheck that guy. Alright? Uncheck that guy. Yep, like I said, these are new, so we're gonna save. There you go. Alright. New setup. So I gotta the stuff that doesn't work the way it used to be. I don't know what to do with it. Alright, so we're gonna save that. And this is the thing when you try to set up new stuff. Okay, here's the same scenario. Same scenario. We're gonna change that guy to 36, and then select this guy and select that guy and make both of them primary keys. See there? These are many to many. How I know? ID and ID. Alright? ID and ID. That's called many to many. Yep. Yeah. One to many, many to many, many to one. Well, same thing. So those are the relationships. You can learn how to do a left join, right join. Left join means you are joining the records from the right to the left and only show the ID from the left, records from the left that match to the right. Alright, now if you do right join, it's a similar except opposite. You are matching the record from the left to the right and make sure it exists in the right. That's the right join. And if they don't match, they're gonna show up empty on the left hand side for the right join. Similarly, left join, if they don't match, the record's still gonna show up except empty on the right. Now if you do inner join, that means the two tables must match in order to see the records. If they don't match, that record will not be shown. Oops, did I miss something? Nope. So but this is what we need. We're almost done though. I'll continue to babble, continue to talk, I guess. So this is the drawback, I guess I can say. When you import the data from Access, you have to go through a bunch of these and changing this size right here, you see this, to 36. You know why 36? Because our grid is 36 characters long. Alright, so I forgot to change them early on. I'm gonna have to do that later. See, a bunch of these right here, these should be 36. So we're gonna make that first, and we're gonna change this to 36. Ticket number is only 1. Ticket number can only be up to not 100. So we're gonna do 2 characters long. That is 99. And pull here. Now you know why ticket number. Oh wait a minute, ticket number is more than that. Oh, your horses. I'm gonna go up to 50. Lottery pool right here, ID right here. If you look at lottery pool ID right here, there should be 36. Oops, my bad. That's not what I want to select. Lottery pool. Select top. See there, this guy right here. So now why it default to 50? I have no idea. Members the same way. There should be 36. We know 36 because I coded 36. All right. What were we? Ticket. See, this is 36. Did we do that? Oh, we are doing that. Ticket pick. Matter of fact, this guy right here. Close that. Oh, we need to close this one too. The object name. That's all right. Okay. Ticket pick. Oh, that's a temp. Oh, okay, got you. That is similar to the other one. Ticket ID. Ticket number. We used 50, didn't we? Laundry pool. Member ID 36. That's one thing about using a GUID as an ID is that you already know the number of characters. So, which is good. These are stakes right here. See there? They all default to 255. We're gonna change this to 50. I think that's, well, the code is only a couple, 3 characters, but we're gonna use that. I'm gonna copy that and put it right there, like so. Oh, file name. You know what? I am going to, that's the file of the image, so I'm gonna make this guy 128. Similar. And then make this guy primary key and then save. That looks good. Other than that, I need to go back to these guys right here. You see how I need to change this guy? All right, but I'm gonna do that later. All right, I just, because I know I forgot, I skipped a few of them here down there, so I'm gonna come back and fix this one later. But for right now, I am interested in, let's save that. I'm interested in showing you how to import this guy or link this guy. See there? So we just select these guys right here. Alright, you can select all, but that's gonna copy a whole bunch of these right here. But we're gonna do this right here. Select one at a time. Alright, and let's continue. Oh, did we miss this one? Did we miss that one? Did we miss that one? Yes, we did. See that? That's why he asked. So that's why I thought we did that one. I thought we updated this one. Maybe we didn't. Maybe we didn't. This right here, I'm gonna move scale down. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. All right. So see how we can link this back to in here. These are all linked tables. All right. These are all linked tables. So if we look at this guy, you see there, exactly the same thing that we have in the back. All right. Exactly the same thing. Now what we'll do in the next video, we're going to continue with this because we need to delete all these tables here. Okay, but I'm not going to delete it now, and the reason why is because we have queries here. We need to fix this query, all right, and map it to the link tables. Map it to these tables. Once we've done that, then we can delete these guys. But for right now, I'm gonna end the video right now, and we'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.